Welcome back to the Dari Scout Tech YouTube channel. The video topic is the basic about cryptocurrency, additional navigation. Cryptocurrency comes under many names. You have probably read about some of the most popular types of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Cryptocurrencies in crazily popular alternatives for online payments before converting real dollars, euros, pounds, or other traditional currencies into the symbol for Bitcoin. The most popular cryptocurrency. You should understand what cryptocurrencies are, what is the risk are in using cryptocurrencies, and how to properties your investment. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is an alternative from a payment is legal currency which is already for a payment created using encryption algorithm. The use of encryption technologies means that cryptocurrencies functions both as a currency and as a virtual accounting system. To use cryptocurrencies, you need a cryptocurrency wallet. This wallet can be software that is cloud based service or is stored on your computer or on your mobile device. The wallets are the tool through which you store your encryption keys that come from your identity and link to your cryptocurrency. What are the risks to using cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are still relatively new, and the market for these digital currency is very volatile. Science cryptocurrencies doesn't need banks or many others their party to regulate them. They tend to be uninsured and are then the tend to be uninsured and are hard to convert into a form of tangible currency such as US dollars or euros. In addition, science cryptocurrencies are technology based intangible assets that can be hacked like any other enabling technology assist. Finally, science you store you cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet. If you lose your wallet or access to it or to wallet backups, you have lost your entire cryptocurrency investment. Follow these tips to protect your cryptocurrencies. Look before you leap before investing in a cryptocurrency. Be investing in a cryptocurrency. Be sure you understand how it works, where it can be used, and how to exchange and how to exchange sure how to work where it can be used. uh, Look before you are leap before investing in cryptocurrencies. Be sure you understand how it works, where it can be used, and how to exchange it. Read the web pages or web pages are which you respect. I beg to say that I have a Nigerian work at my home. Current read the web pages for the currency itself, such as this video guys complete. Next video coming soon. Take care.